In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with Clickup. Full tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll have your Outlook calendar connected so events and scheduling are easier to manage right inside your workspace. This is great if you're juggling meetings in Outlook while planning tasks and timelines in Clickup, and you want everything to stay in sync without jumping between tools. First, open your ClickUp workspace and head to Planner. Depending on your setup, this may also appear as the calendar view. You can access it from the main navigation. Once you're there, give the page a moment to load your current schedules so you can confirm you're in the right place. Next, look for the settings icon on the Planner page. It's usually a gear or similar symbol in the top area of the view. Clicking this opens the configuration options specific to Planner, which is where you control connected accounts and calendars. If you don't see the gear, try expanding the view or switching to full screen so all controls appear. From the settings menu, select Accounts. This section is where ClickUp lists any calendars or email services you've already connected, and it's also where you'll manage new integrations. It's helpful to check here first to see if Outlook is already linked so you don't duplicate a connection. Now choose Add Account. This starts the process of connecting a new calendar service. If your workspace has multiple admins, make sure you have permission to add integrations. If not, you may need a teammate with admin rights to enable it for everyone. When the list of available connections appears, click Outlook Calendar. At this point, you may see a Microsoft Sign In window. Go ahead and sign in with the account you use for your meetings. If you have both personal and work Outlook accounts, be sure to choose the one that holds your actual calendar events. You'll likely be asked to grant permissions so ClickUp can read your calendar, and if allowed by your organization, create or edit events. Approve the prompts to complete the link. If you're prompted to choose specific calendars within your Outlook account, select the ones you need so you don't clutter your planner with unnecessary schedules. That's it for the setup. A few quick tips. Allow pop-ups in your browser so the Microsoft window can open. If you don't see Outlook as an option, your admin may have restricted third-party connections. To verify everything worked, return to Planner and refresh. Your Outlook events should appear. You can revisit accounts anytime to manage or disconnect the integration if your needs change.